To get started with sending money to friends and family using Venmo, you will need to download and install the Venmo app on your mobile device. Once installed, create an account by providing some basic information such as your name, email address, and phone number. You will also need to link a funding source, such as a bank account, credit card, or debit card, to your Venmo account. After setting up your account, you can start sending money to friends and family. To do this, open the Venmo app and tap on the Payment tab. Enter the recipient's name, email address, or phone number, and the amount you want to send. You can also add a note to the payment, which is a great way to provide context for the transaction. Before sending the payment, review the transaction details to ensure everything is correct. This includes the recipient's information, the payment amount, and any fees associated with the transaction. Once you have verified the information, tap the Send button to complete the transaction. It's also important to note that Venmo allows you to send money to friends and family for free, as long as you are using a funding source that does not incur a fee, such as a bank account or debit card. However, if you use a credit card to fund the transaction, you will be charged a small fee. To receive money on Venmo, the recipient must also have a Venmo account. When someone sends you money, you will receive a notification and the funds will be added to your Venmo balance. You can then transfer the funds to your bank account or use them to make purchases. In terms of best practices, it's always a good idea to only send money to people you know and trust. You should also be cautious when using Venmo in public or on public Wi-Fi networks, as this can increase the risk of your account being compromised. Additionally, make sure to keep your Venmo account and funding sources up to date, and monitor your account activity regularly to prevent any unauthorized transactions. By following these steps and best practices, you can use Venmo to easily and securely send money to friends and family. The service is convenient, fast, and free, making it a great option for splitting bills, paying back friends, or just sending a gift.